What is up, guys? Day 2 of the fishing tournament. Bright and early, and we got down to the spot Saxon pointed out to me last night. There's 2 trucks here, but I came down and looked, and I don't know if they're kayaking or what, but they're not down here. So I'm just gonna fish this strip here for about an hour. I got a whopper plopper, and then I got a swim tail on. So I think we should get into some if those guys didn't rip everything in here. So stick with us, and today's gonna be a long day. We're gonna meet up with another one of my buddies, and we're gonna kayak all day long, camp overnight, kayak into Sunday, and then that's the award ceremony. And then after that, we're gonna go to the 3D bow shoot. So it's gonna be an eventful weekend. Gonna pump out a lot of content for you guys, but hopefully we need to get some fish first. So catch you on the water. Great. That looks like there's one right there, actually. Small guy, but he came on. I was gonna say that definitely wasn't 16 inches. Freaking the tiniest smallmouth I ever seen in my life. That thing's winning it right there. If there's competition for smallest smallmouth in the world, it's a number 2 spinner. That's good. Hopefully something's big. It looks really good through here. There's one. He ain't gonna freaking measure. You ain't even gonna freaking compete. Calm down. Ow! What do you think that one is? That's probably over 10. This one might be a good one. Big? Might be. Nah. I'm gonna measure this one, take a picture of it just in case. Ouch. $10 inches. Might be the biggest we catch. Yeah.
I really wish you would have missed out there.
Yeah. Tell me about it, bud. All right, 10 inches is the best we got so far, bud. Small one. You have one? Doubled up. Oh my gosh. Oh, this is a big one, Todd. This is a big one, dude. Yeah. Oh gosh.
That's a big one.
Yeah.
That's a big one.
I need help. Please don't throw it.
That's a big one.
Oh, baby.
That's a big one.
Oh my word. Dude, that's a hog. Holy crap. I knew as soon as he bit it, I was like, oh dude, that's a big one. Holy crap. That thing's a toad. I was scared to lose him at the boat. 15 inches.
That's it?
Yeah,
I still think 15.
I am. Could be good enough for second. That's like my biggest smallmouth ever. And it's only 15 inches. Another nice one. That might be longer than the other one. It might be longer. That was pretty long. There's one. I don't know yet. Yeah.
Alright, we gotta survive through this.
He's not even 13.
Yeah, like a
Yeah. Yeah. This is like number like 25 for me. Small one. Fly through the air. Yeah, something's wrong with you, buddy. You need to reach me. Oh, buddy. I'm ripping them. Oh, gosh, dude, right there's a giant. You see it? Dude, did you see that thing? There's one. Tiny guy. He might get off. Nah, he stayed on. That's the fattest freaking fish. Oh my word. Stop. Look how fat that thing is. Todd, look how fat that is. That thing's beefy. Hey, something dropped that way. That'd have been a monster fish. There's one. Little guy. He ain't gonna measure. He destroyed it though. This is like, how did you give me that? That's what I'm saying. What the freak? I caught that as soon as it got it. No. There's a bigger one chasing it, dude. Look at all those fish underneath mine. Oh, yep, that's a big one. I am. You have to take a selfie with them. Did I take a picture of it? Yeah. Yeah. Hey guys, what's up? This is day number 3 of the tournament. I got 2 hours until it's over. It ends at 11 o'clock. So I'll give you a little update on yesterday. Me and my buddy canoed the whole way down the river. We got into a lot of fish, as you guys can see. The biggest one was 14.25 inches. That puts me like 5th place right as of right now. So then after that, we were gonna camp and keep going the next morning, but a huge thunderstorm was supposed to come through at around 7, and it did come through, and the water is super muddy. So we're gonna go down to the spot, see what it looks like, throw a few casts, and I mean, if I don't catch anything within the first 10 or so casts, the water's clearly too muddy and we're not going to catch one, so might just call it quits early. But thanks for sticking with us. It was a fun, really fun opportunity to be in the tournament. The wall hangers are the ones that are doing it, so go check their YouTube out. I'll drop a link in the comments below to check them out. Pretty cool, first ever fishing tournament. even though I didn't win, it was still really fun. And me and Saxon are going to try to get into some more local ones. In the summer's coming up, and I think this fall there might be some trout tournaments we might try to get into. So hopefully one of them we win. But we'll see you guys on the next video. Thanks for sticking with us.